you've lost. If you're in your car and you're lost, you know, you pull over and you sort of have a look at your sat nav, perhaps adjust it, or you get the map out, or you get out and you ask somebody. Mind you, in my experience, unless you're a man and you don't ask because you're too worried about it, but you start asking or you start investigating the right way of finding where you're meant to be going. And this is the same with us as well. When we get to that stage when we don't know what to do any longer, then, you know, it's about finding our way again. All right. And so, you know, this is why it's important to stop, so that you can have a little think about things. All right, because it's important to work out what it is that you want different from what you've got now. Okay, what is it that you are wanting from your thoughts and your feelings and your behavior? And then is it something, you know, what you're searching for, or what you're needing, what you're requiring, is that something that you've had in the past? You know, is what you're needing something that you've already felt, that you've already thought, that, you know, you've already had that behaviour and you need to find that again?